You love it how I move you love it how I touch you, my one.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today you are watching the Ariana Grande's God is a Woman makeup tutorial. Ariana Grande's God is a Woman music video is absolutely iconic, and I love the visuals in the music video, and it's so beautiful. And I was so inspired by how beautiful it looks, especially the one when she was in the water thing where she was swirling around, and I think that's really beautiful. So I thought, why not I try to recreate that look today. What you want to do for the first step is to fix your hair. Now, Ariana has her hair to the side, so we're just gonna part your hair and put it behind your ears like this, and then, okay, once you have that in place, comb your hair to the side because she has her ponytail to the right side of her head. So you just wanna right side or left side, whichever that you're comfortable basically. So you just want to comb your hair out until it's smooth and it's easier to manage. So you just want to put your hair behind your ears again, and then you want to make a bun right below your ear, right here. Okay, so let's try this. You're just gonna twist it, twist it, twist it, twist your hair like that. So there you go, your hair is like this. Your bun is located right underneath, right behind your ear, over here and below the head. Okay, so what you want to do next is to grab a cloth, a piece of cloth. This is where a piece of cloth where it matches her hair in the music video. So here I got a brown with a pink undertone cloth, and I asked for a meter. So basically what I did was let me show you an example using this bandana. Okay, what I did before I made it into something like this so it's easier for me. So what I did was I asked for a meter, and then I make it into a hole like this, and you just want to tie it into a loop so you can attach your hair inside the hoop so it looks something like this. Okay, so you just want to tie it together like that, and then you'll get a secure position where you can place the braid right here. So what you want to do next is to cut whichever sides of these two pieces right here and make it into a half. So once you're done that, you have 3 extra pieces, 1, 2, 3, so you can make into a braid. If you feel like it's not long enough, you can just pull it further. So with that, I'll just take these 2 pieces together, make it very clean. Like, you don't want to look very messy for this, so you just want to fold it nicely right here. And you just want to take this piece right here, and you're just going to braid like normal. I'm using Maybelline New York's Fit Me at the shade of 230 Natural Buff. So right now, we're going to move on to concealer. Okay, so in the music video, Ariana looks very sculpted. Like, you can see her cheekbones very prominently. So I'm gonna use the concealer from Maybelline New York New Instant Age Rewind Eraser Dark Circle Treatment Concealer with Goji Berry and Haloxyl. And here I'm just gonna put some on my forehead and make it into like a triangle on top. I'm gonna put underneath your eyes. Oh, I look like a chicken. Okay, so we're just gonna cover everything up using this brush again. I know it might not be the perfect utensil because normally makeup artists would have like a whole set of utensil, but I ain't no makeup artist, so I'm just gonna do this makeup tutorial for fun. Fluffy brush, and use the Bahama Mama bronzer powder. Okay, make it very, very prominent. Sculpt it, not sculpt it, sculpt it, not sculpt it. We're just gonna do underneath your cheekbones as well. We're just gonna move on to the forehead. This is where you're just gonna do that. The side of your temple, it's a bit more until you see the dimension of your face. I'm gonna use my finger to apply some of the product onto my middle finger right here, and then just put it on my nose like this so that your nose is more defined. just so you know, I just want to repeat this again that I am not a makeup artist. This is basically me trying to test out my makeup skills because I haven't been doing any makeup tutorials at all for the past few months. The last time I did a makeup tutorial was back in 2016, 2015, I have no idea, 2016 for sure. So I've been doing a lot of vlogs lately, so I just want to try something new now, you know? And I feel like God is a Woman makeup is very interesting to do, and it's not that hard because it's basically paint. I want to add more dimension to my face, so what I'm gonna do next is apply blusher over here right on top of the contour right there, and I'm using Sephora's Colorful in the shade of Charm and 27. Like what I like to do, I just use from the side, just apply the product from the side and then just slide your brush over your cheekbones so it gives a slight color to your cheekbones. I know you guys are excited for the paint to be applied, but first the eyebrows. So what I use every day is Silky Girl Natural Brow Pencil at the shade of 02 Dark Brown, and here I'm just gonna apply as usual how I would every day. And you get, it looks something like this. Okay, before we start the paint, we have to add on the eyeshadow. Now, her eyelids are very defined, like it goes concaved inside. So what you want to do is, before we apply any eyeshadow product, I would like to use the NYX eyeshadow base. I've been using this product for ever since I started using eye makeup, and that's like 3 years ago. So I just like to add some onto the eyelid so it gives a more defined color. Before that, I just want to add some concealer on my eyelid so that it looks like as if I have a bigger eyelid, and so that I have more space in creating a cut crease. I've never done a cut crease before, so I apologize, it looks very odd. Okay, just gonna get the Color Factory on the bigger side of the brush just to get a good amount of it, and we're just gonna put the product on top of your eyelids, just like that. Alright, so it looks very dark. Somehow it looks like it has a purple undertone, and that's one thing about the Naked palette. It does have a pinkish undertone, so we just wanna define that even more. So right now I'm gonna take a brown eyeshadow from Elianto, and this is really ugly. It's very bad. It's a bad shape. I've been using this for quite a while, so we're just gonna take some of the product right here and just dab it on to your brush and just put it over the eyeshadow that we had on just now. So we just want to have a very brown eyeshadow look for this. I'm gonna be using the shade Liar, because this is the most goldish color. We're supposed to be using a gold color onto our lids, and we're just gonna dab it onto our eyelids. Do not just run the brush over your eyelids, you just have to dab it on so that you want the maximum amount of product onto your eyelids. You really want the gold color specks to be on your eyelids and visible. Yeah, okay, just gonna put some at the corner of your eye. Instead of just using your eyeliner just to define your eyes and make it look really clean, you just want to have quite a slight gradient. So what I like to use is a black eyeshadow to line the eyeliner, to line the eyes first, then you go on with the eyeliner. So here I'm gonna use Naked 3's Black Heart, and we're just gonna use the tip of the Naked 3 brush, drag it underneath your eye as well, so you get some sort of gradient underneath. You see, the eyeshadow looks something like this, and the eye makeup looks something like that, so you can see the crease. But we're not done with the cut crease yet because we're gonna use some of the paint to overline the lids. So for now, as I said, we're gonna use the Silky Girl Perfect Matte Liquid Eyeliner, which is waterproof, to line our eyes again. I like it. Okay, so now we're gonna start with the paint. I bought this online on Shopee. It's called iMagic Professional Cosmetics. Do the best. They have 12 colors and body paint. So this is an oil paint which is safe for the body, and it has 12 colors right here. So we're gonna use the blue and red and white mostly. So, and we're gonna have a tint of purple, lilac, blue, white, and many other colors. So right here we got like a lighter shade of purple and a lighter shade of blue. So in the video it's very pastel-ish, and most of the other makeup artists that I saw, they incorporated dark blue, dark colors, and dark purple, but I kind of want to stick with the original colors from the music video. So right here we're gonna be using light pink, light pink, purple, light blue. Okay, so I'm very nervous about this. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, so I hope it's gonna be alright. Okay, so we're just gonna move our hair to the side so we have space to add colors right here, right here, right here, and especially the lips. So we're gonna do a cut crease as well, but we're gonna focus on the color paint first. So what color to start off? Okay, let's start with this, yeah? The lilac color. Okay, let's start with the lilac. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, so we're just gonna do here as well. Okay, it doesn't matter how messy it looks. Okay, just gonna. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm doing this. Just gonna do something neck. Thinner brush so that we can line our lips with the lilac purple. Holy shit, this is so cool. How am I gonna go down with my grandmother downstairs? She's not gonna understand what's going on. I bet people who don't understand the whole concept of this, they're like, what is this girl playing with paint like she's 3? I don't know myself. This is so, but the colors are so cool. Holy shit. So right now we're gonna do the cut crease for the over the eyelids. So we're gonna use the same color that we used for the lips. So using the same brush, I'm just gonna take some of the product on top and then just line it over the eyelids. Okay, so apparently I looked at the picture and then she has like a really golden eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna, because okay, luckily the face paint kind of has like gold, a gold color. So I'm just gonna use that just to like make my eyeshadow pop even more. Dab it on just a bit so that you can see the sparkles, the golden sparkles. Right now we're gonna take the same color for the lips to line our eye, to line the cut crease. Slowly put it over your crease and just wing it out. In the corner of the eye, it's very blotchy, like she didn't make it perfect. It's just the sides looks very defined. So I'm just gonna rub my fingers over here so that it blends in. Rub it off just like that. Okay. Oh my god, that's so cool. Oh shit. Okay, yeah, it looks something like that. Oh my god, I'm shook. Okay, right now it's the hair. Okay, so we're gonna use the same palette as well. Finishing touches, we're just gonna add some highlighter on the nose and cheekbones. Curl our eyelashes so that it's easier to apply the falsies. So yeah, that's all for the God is a Woman makeup tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video, and if you do give a thumbs up. And if you do enjoy watching the rest of my videos, do subscribe because I enjoy making these videos. This is one of my favorite videos by far. This is so interesting, like colors and painting. Oh shit, my teeth looks yellow. Never mind, human stuff. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and it's so fun to make it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!